Hi! In front of me is Realme GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Realme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Privacy section. Then tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, in my case Calendar. Now tap on one of your apps and tap on the best option for you, in my case Google. Allow or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. And then tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, Google app no longer has access to my device's calendar. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. Over here, click on See All Gmail permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!